So, before I start this video, I know I did my edges like the second time in my whole life. One side looks freaking darker than the other, but we're just gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, today's video is gonna be me playing outside. So, I'm putting on my shoes, because why not? So I'm putting on my shoes and I'm eating macaroons. Okay. Anyway, so, oh my god, what's my name? Okay, so we're gonna be going outside in my backyard today because I have no more ideas what to do on YouTube. Because I cannot freaking just do school vlogs all the time. I can't freaking put on my... Oh, no. I saw that I hit 50 subscribers. Thank you for that. So, I only started 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Now I already hit 50. I only told 20 people I had a YouTube channel. But yeah, thank you. So, yeah, thank you. FYI, if my voice cracks, that means I'm nervous for something, but I'm not nervous right now. So, ow, that hurt. Okay. Ow. Okay. So, I just messed up my hair. That's really nice for me. So, we're in my garage. I can't open the door. This is just nice. There we go. Oh, what's up, Titty? Just leave me then. I see another blue jay.
Hi, Mr. Blue Jay.
Ooh. Hey, this is good lighting. My God. Okay. So we have a swing. I haven't been back here in a while. I don't go outside anymore. I look bald. This is a really nice background, by the way. Oh my God. And I'm trying not to get arrested because I was on my own property. It's not really my property, but I mean it's by my house. That's my house and that's my property. And then I was right here. And then someone called the cops on me. Okay. Anyways, I'm standing right here because the sun is hitting my back and it really feels good. Ooh, can I stand on my phone right here? Oh my God, I can. I totally can. Wait, hold on. Okay, that's not a very good background. Oh, I'm not walking over all this grass. And I think that cat just growled at me. Anyway, the sky looks pretty. I can't really. Something just touched the back of my leg and it was in the... This is a nice background. I'm about to take some pictures. Hopefully no one's outside because they're probably going to be looking at me. Oh, the bird's looking at me. We don't like that bird looking at me because we don't like the bird, okay? We don't like that bird. Oh. Bitch, I look weird. Oh. My phone has fainted. my god, the tree has things in it. Oh my god, this tree has things in it. Something's under the tree. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, what the, what the? I just heard the tree move. I'm gonna try to vlog like this because I don't want to stop the video and turn it back around and then keep doing that. Yeah. So you've seen enough of my ugly face. Why is that there? It's like some kind of mermaid tail or something. I don't even know. They have like a pretty backyard. Can't relate. Well, oh my god, I see my kitty. I see my titty. What's up, titty? Ow! Something went in my eye when I was appreciating my cat. Okay, we're not going by the cat over there. Or that bird. Oh yeah, let me show you the bird because that's the one who keeps me up at night. I figured out to turn it back around because apparently it was zoomed into my face and no one told me. Oh, this is also a nice picture. It's good lighting, you know. If my phone drops on the... Oh, is that a chicken? Oh my god, there's a bunch of chickens. I don't even know I have chickens. Oh my god. I have chickens. I never knew I had chickens. Oh my god, they're so fat and cute. Oh my god, I love them. Those are my brothers right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's one of the reasons why I never play in the backyard, because the people who have those chickens or whatever, I think that's them, like their chickens, and those are the people next door, like over there. No, that's my house, my stupid self. Where's my house? Well, their house on the other side of this bush or whatever. Yeah, them. They're the ones who called the cops on me. Oh. Hopefully they're not like looking at me, because when I was little, I was like playing and everything in the backyard, right? And then all of a sudden, this little old lady looks at me and she was like, I don't even know what she was saying, but she was talking Russian to me. I'm like, there's like dead things in the tree. No, this is a bush. One time I got new shoes. Why am I so out of breath? Okay. Titty! Titty, oh my god, what are you doing over there? What are you doing over there, stupid? What are you... What? Did I do my... Oh! Hey! Okay. Do you dare me to try to climb over this little baby fence? It's gonna be something. So I'm gonna try to climb over this. I probably can't. And if there's a like if the old man that lives like right here sees me, have my leg up here, and I'm stuck, and I don't like this. I'm like hanging on. Oh my god! Okay, I'm not flexible and hurting, cause oh my god, ow! Oh my god, someone liked my video, and oh my god, I'm about to fucking fall! Oh my god! Hey, this is fun! Yeah, I'm really about to get banned. I feel like Spider-Man right now, baby! Okay. What? I'm fine.
You how you are, you just have to say say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm about to get the cops called on me again. I better get out of here. They found me! I don't know if you can hear it, but the sirens are coming in. The fuck? We have a coyote? I'm getting out of here. I hate outside. Oh my god, that chicken is thick. It's about to be really dark. Now I'm scared. What the? I'm like literally. Okay. Anyways, I know it looks dirty. But. Oh. I'm about to get my ass electrocuted. Okay, so I know this was like a short video. But anyways, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. And I'll see you guys. So, yeah. See you. Bye.